Boom, motherfuckers. We're back. Want to get on a billboard and look good doing it? Then get your ass over to Blindspot. First, come up with a sexy-ass ad. Easy. Then head to see blindspot.com to create your free account. Hit Create a Campaign and pick your industry and ad category. You can look through all our sick-ass billboards and pick the ones that actually matter to you. You want indoor? We got them. Outdoor? Got those too. Mobile screens? Done. Space billboards? Get the fuck out of here. Pick your favorite billboard spot and filter by the shit around it like stores and restaurants. For each screen, pick how many times you want your ad to play and schedule that shit like a champ. Now, upload your media files and publish the fuck out of it. We'll give you details with real-time play reports so you always know what's going on with your shit. And if you need to make changes in the future, our dynamic model lets you adjust your campaign in real time. It's that easy, motherfucker.